13, 14, 15 was the time when our market started turning. 2008 to 13, zero returns, and then 13, 14, 15 is when we started moving up. And there was this narrative of अच्छे दिन. And I used to say कि ये stock prices के लिए अच्छे दिन है, लेकिन unit holders या investors के लिए इतने अच्छे दिन नहीं है, because you're buying high, you're not buying cheap. So for a unit holder, अच्छे दिन मंदी में होते हैं.
Yeah.
This is one learning I have had, that you have to learn to celebrate bear markets, to celebrate falling prices. But especially if the underlying is good. If the underlying is bad, good day or bad day, everything is bad. But if your market is good, your asset class is good, if you get it cheaper, you should feel happy rather than feel happy when it is rising. So I have friends in media where on a day when markets will hit a new high, there will be interviews, some bit of cake cutting, some bit of joy. A lot of people chest thumping. But you don't see that on a day when markets are down 10%. Whereas ideally, you do chest thumping on a day it's down 10%. For younger people who are building their investment portfolio, who are still in the phase of acquiring more units, you will be happy when you get them cheaper, not when you get them expensive. So I think that is a switch in the mind. 99% investors are not able to do that switch. If you ask most people, you want rising markets or falling markets? Most will say rising. No one will say falling. But a very, nuanced, wise investor will say that if I'm going to still be accumulator of shares or units, I would want them to fall rather than want them to rise.